Hi, fifth grade. So this is Miss Clark, and in this video today, we'll be talking about the overview of our curriculum. So we use a curriculum called Eureka. You used it last year in fourth grade, and we will be using it again in fifth grade. There's a really useful tool that you can use. I also linked on the website under the websites tab, and there's a place that you can click, and it goes straight here. So this is called Embark.online. Look at the top bar where I highlighted it. Embark has a C. Don't forget that. Embark.online. This is a really, really useful tool that will help you along the way in fifth grade. Let's see. Okay, so go to the fifth grade column because you are in fifth grade. Go to home. Okay, each of these, it says G5M1. So that stands for grade 5, module 1, and then it goes all the way down to module 6. This gives you the topic of each module we'll be talking about and the main idea that we will be accomplishing this year. So I will go through each one. Module 1 talks about place value and decimal fractions. Module 2 builds off of Module 1, and we learn about multi-digit whole number and decimal fraction operations. Okay, this is really, really neat because in fourth grade, you only did a few place values. But this year, you'll be learning so many more values on the place value chart. You'll be learning big numbers and learning different things to do with them. Okay, in Module 3, we'll be talking about addition and subtraction of fractions. Module 4 also goes with Module 3, which is really neat. So we did addition and subtraction in Module 3, and in Module 4, we do multiplication and division of fractions and decimal fractions. So these two modules build off of each other too. So that's something I like about Eureka, that everything builds on each other. You're not just learning something out of the blue. You learn something and then you build on it throughout the year, which is really cool. Module 5, we'll be learning about addition and multiplication with volume and area. So volume and area, when you draw a shape on a piece of paper, that shape is flat. You can't pick it up and hold it. But for volume and area, we'll be talking about shapes that you can hold. That's a really fun unit. In Module 6, it's a great way to end the year because we'll be problem solving with the coordinate plane. I'll sprinkle it in throughout the year so you can learn more about it along the way, but this is a really, really relaxing way to end the year, and it's fun, engaging. We'll have different activities with it, and you'll be super prepared for 6th grade, which is great. So let's do Module 5 with volume and area. So I want to show you something. Under each of these modules, you'll find each lesson. See, you see lesson 4. Every lesson is listed under these. During class, I use the Promethean flip chart. So whenever there's something projected on the board and we're solving problems and doing things like that, that is off this flip chart. That's the resource I use during class every single day. Now, when you go home and maybe you're confused or you need help or your parents want to learn something new too, you can go to Homework Solutions. This will let you check your work. So you can do your homework, do it all by yourself, and then go here and then check your work. Now, let's go to video. This is a little YouTube video that will solve problems with you and for you. So you can watch these videos. As you see, he'll go through what you'll be learning that day. And then after it loads, it will begin. But he'll go through a few problems within the problem type within that lesson. Let's see if we can fast forward. There we go. Okay, and he'll walk through a little bit of the lesson and you'll be able to learn more, and maybe your parents can help you with this as well, and they can learn along the way with you. Anyway, this website, embark.online, is a great tool for you to use at home